Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail about the AutoCAD, that what is meant by AutoCAD and its uses or the applications. So in this video you will learn completely and your concept will be clear after watching this video regarding the AutoCAD. So what is meant by AutoCAD and its different applications and uses will be discussed in this video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also I have uploaded different videos on this channel to learn completely the AutoCAD from the basics to the advanced level. So let's start. What is the AutoCAD? So AutoCAD is basically the combination of two words, means the auto and CAD. The auto stands for the automatic or automated, and the CAD, this C, A and D has different, and this is abbreviated from the different words. C for stands for the computer, A stands for the added, and D stands for the design or drafting. So the AutoCAD is basically a automatic computer aided design and drafting. So this is a software through which you can design or draft any desired object, shape or structure depending on your requirements by using the computer aided. This is a computer aided software through which you can design any type of shape or structure depending on your requirements. So this is what the AutoCAD name has been given to it. So now what are the uses of the AutoCAD, means the applications. So AutoCAD is a software and it has been used and using about in all of the industries. So this is a very basic software for drafting and design of any objects or structure. So it is very important uses in the constructions industries, so in which you have to design some buildings or bridges or roads or the cross section of the roads. In road there are different portions to be designed, the culverts, the road cross sections, the drainage uh, structures and many more. And also in the electrical industry you have to design the circuits and the different platforms on which the circuits has to be uh, placed. And in the mechanical industry you can the AutoCAD is mostly used to design the different things like the design of the machines, the different portions in the machines and the bolts, nuts, all about is normally designed in the AutoCAD. And in other industries like in industrial engineering, in this you can design the different uh, machines and the different components that are associated with the industry. So this software plays a very important role while working in any industry. So through this you can design any object. Like you can see here is an example which I have made in the AutoCAD as a building. So now you can see this is a simple 3D view of building, residential building, and this is the 2D plan. In AutoCAD basically you can design the objects first in 2D and then you can also convert it to 3D, and also you can draw simply direct in 3D. So AutoCAD is a very powerful software. So like this is the room 1, this is the room 2, this is the attached washrooms with these bedrooms, and this is the TV line, this is the kitchens, and this is the car porch, this is the guest room. So this is the different portions in a building, and it has been made in the AutoCAD. This is the 2D view of the building, means the plan view. And now this is the walls you can see in 3D. So AutoCAD is a very powerful software through which you can design your objects as per your requirements. And also you can learn that how I have designed this 3D from this 2D. The video is being uploaded available in the channel, and you can watch. So till now we have discussed the definitions of the AutoCAD and their uses, and means the application in different fields. So now if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.